Welcome to the ICE scoring framework. ICE is a simple yet powerful method to prioritize ideas and features quickly. ICE stands for impact, confidence, and ease. This framework helps teams make data-driven decisions about which features or ideas to work on first without getting bogged down in complex analysis. ICE scoring is a lightweight prioritization technique that evaluates each idea across 3 key dimensions. Impact measures how much value the idea will bring to users and the business. Confidence represents how sure you are about your impact estimate. Ease indicates how simple or difficult the idea is to implement. By scoring each dimension, you get a single number that helps rank ideas objectively. Let's break down each dimension. Impact asks, how much will this idea improve user satisfaction or drive business results? Score it from 0 to 10 based on expected benefit. Confidence asks, how certain are you about that impact estimate? This accounts for uncertainty in your data or assumptions. Ease asks, how straightforward is it to build this feature? Consider resource requirements, technical complexity, and timeline. Score both confidence and ease from 0 to 10 as well. Once you have scored impact, confidence, and ease, calculating the ICE score is straightforward. Multiply impact by confidence, then divide by ease. This formula prioritizes ideas with high impact and high confidence while favoring simpler implementations. The result is a single number you can use to rank your ideas. Higher scores rise to the top of your priority list. Here's how to apply ICE scoring in practice. First, gather all candidate ideas from your backlog or brainstorm. Next, score each idea's impact from 0 to 10, then score confidence from 0 to 10. After that, score ease from 0 to 10. Calculate the ICE score using the formula. Finally, sort ideas by score and discuss the top candidates. This entire process is fast and can be completed in a single team meeting. Let's walk through a practical example. Imagine you're building a mobile app and have 3 ideas: dark mode, notification center, and offline sync. For dark mode, impact is 8, confidence is 9, ease is 7. The score is 54 divided by 7, which is approximately 7.7. For notification center, impact is 9, confidence is 7, ease is 6. The score is 63 divided by 6, which is 10.5. For offline sync, impact is 10, confidence is 5, ease is 2. The score is 50 divided by 2, which is 25. Offline sync wins despite higher complexity because of its massive impact. How does ICE scoring compare to traditional backlog prioritization? ICE provides consistency by using a standardized scoring method across all ideas. This removes bias and ensures decisions are repeatable. ICE is fast because you score only 3 dimensions per idea, taking minimal time per item. ICE is auditable because you document the reasoning behind each score. This transparency helps teams trust and defend prioritization decisions. Traditional backlog management often relies on gut feeling or stakeholder opinions, which can be inconsistent and hard to defend. You can enhance ICE scoring with additional information. Attach qualitative notes and rationale explaining why you scored each dimension as you did. Tag ideas as strategic, value-driven, or technical debt to align with business goals. Track data confidence with sources to show where impact estimates came from. For example, if you scored user impact based on user interviews, note that source. These augmentations make ICE scoring even more powerful and transparent. To summarize, ICE scoring uses 3 dimensions: impact, confidence, and ease to prioritize ideas quickly. You score each dimension from 0 to 10, calculate the score as impact times confidence divided by ease, and rank ideas by their scores. Apply ICE to your live backlog, record your reasoning and assumptions, and reassess as new data arrives. Start with a small set of ideas, score them as a team, and refine your process over time. ICE scoring is a simple, yet effective way to make better prioritization decisions faster.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.